Just reached my 18th week of investing on my M1 Finance account. This is my moneymaker. It consists of 80% stocks, 10% real estate, and 10% bonds. For you guys who are new to my channel, this is mostly a dividend investing portfolio. Alright, now let's jump to my stocks slice of my pie, which is 80%. Now let's go to technology, which is 15% of my stocks slice. So for this one, before my 18th week, I sold my Apple and Microsoft because I'm already investing in those stocks on my Robinhood account. For Nvidia, I gained 63 cents this week, which is 0.46%. IBM, I gained $8.36, which is 8.51%. Cisco, I gained $2.37, which is 2.41%. Skyworks, I gained $4.48, which is 5.34%. So for this week, my technology gained $6.28, which is 1.21% return. Alright, now let's go to my consumer defensive, which is another 15% of my stocks slice. Costco, I lost $4.04, which is down 2.25%. PepsiCo, I lost $2.86, which is down 2.22%. Procter & Gamble, I lost $4.16, which is 4.02%. Walmart, I lost $2.06, which is 2.03%. For this week, my consumer defensive lost $13.12. My return is down 2.55%. My earned dividends is 67 cents. For my industrial, I sold 3M because I'm already investing on 3M on my Robinhood account. I don't want to duplicate that. That's why I removed this from my slice. So Lockheed Martin, I lost $4.16, which is down 4.37%. Caterpillar, I lost $1.22, which is down 1.59%. I added UPS this week. It lost 93 cents, which is 1.23%. General Dynamics, I lost $4.87, which is down 6.48%. Boeing, I lost $12.94, which is down a whopping 16.27%. Waste Management, I lost $1.61, which is down 2.62%. Raytheon, I lost $2.31, which is 4.03%. For this week, industrial performed really bad. I lost $30.65, which is down 5.87%, and I did not earn any dividends. Now let's go to my healthcare, which consists 10% of my stocks slice. So I'm minimizing my investments. That's why I only have 2 on my healthcare for now. If I find one good one, I may add it in the future. For this week, Johnson & Johnson gained $4.28, which is up 2.20%. United Health Group Incorporation, I gained 90 cents, which is up 0.68%. For my healthcare, this week, I gained $4.76, which is 1.38% return. I didn't get any dividends. Now let's go to my consumer cyclical, which consists 10% of my stocks slice. Home Depot, I gained $1.90, which is up 1.38%. McDonald's, I lost $1.33, which is 0.96%. Lowe's, I gained 84 cents, which is up 2.44%. Nike, I lost 59 cents, which is down 1.72%. For this week, my consumer cyclical gained 82 cents, which is 0.24% return. My earned dividends is 19 cents. Now let's go to my finance, which consists another 10% of my stocks slice. So like I said in my previous video, I had more, but I sold Bank of America and Wells Fargo because I'm already investing on those stocks on my Robinhood account. And in exchange of those two, I added Goldman Sachs. For this week, Visa lost 92 cents, which is down 1.07%. Goldman Sachs, I lost $3.01, which is down 3.52%. American Express, I lost $3.21, which is down 4.57%. JP Morgan, I lost $3.17, which is down 4.60%. Royal Bank, I lost $1.44, which is down 3.96%. Looks like nothing won for this week from my finance stocks. This week, my finance lost $11.75, which is down 3.39%, but I at least earned the dividends, which is 60 cents. For the no dividend, we'll save this for last. Let's go to my energy, which consists 5% of my stock slice. Chevron, again, wow, 1 cent. That's amazing. 1 cent, which is 0.01%. At least a win is a win, right? Magellan Midstream Partners, I gained 66 cents, which is 1.28%. For my energy this week, I gained a whopping 67 cents, which is 0.38%. I did not earn dividends, but I at least win this one. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if you like how I'm sharing this to you guys, please subscribe to my channel, and also smash that like button. Hit that notification bell so that you guys get notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload videos every week. Alright, now let's go to my communication, which consists 5% of my stock slice. Now, as you guys know, I took out T-Mobile last week because I already have 90 shares on my Robinhood account, and I don't want to spend any more money for T-Mobile and this M1 Finance account. Alright, Verizon Wireless this week, I lost 75 cents, which is 0.89%. Activision Blizzard, I lost 15 cents, which is 0.35%. That is Incorporated, I gained 4 cents, which is up 0.10%. For my communication this week, I lost 86 cents, which is 0.51%, and I did not earn any dividends. Alright, let's go to my utilities, which is 5% of my stocks slice. Nextra Energy, I lost $1.95, which is 2.82%. Duke Energy, I lost $2.33, which is 4.71%. Wake Energy, I lost $2.77, which is down 6.44%. No winners for this week. My utilities lost $7.76 this week, which is 4.50%. I did not earn any dividend. Now let's go back to my no dividend, which is 10% of my stocks slice. For this week, Amazon gained 97 cents, which is 1.47% return. Tesla, I lost $2.69, which is down 3.82%. Google with an L, I lost 1 cent, which is 0.02%. Google without an L, I lost 7 cents, which is 0.14% return. Berkshire Hathaway, I lost 75 cents, which is 2.28%. Netflix, I gained 16 cents, which is 0.50%. Dexcom, my new growth stocks, I gained 47 cents, which is up 2.84%. Illumina, I lost 39 cents, which is down 1.93%. So these are the only two healthcare growth stocks that I have and my no dividend stocks. So for this week, my no dividend lost $2.31. My return is down 0.68%. So overall for this week, my stocks, which is 80% of my pie, lost $53.92, which is 1.56%. But my earned dividends is $1.46. At least I got some, even if I lost this week. Now let's go to my real estate, which consists 10% of my pie. American Tower Corporation, I lost $4.73, which is down 3.51%. Public Storage, I lost $5.80, which is 4.72%. Digital Realty Trust, my new addition this week, I gained $1.26, which is 1.22%. Well Tower, I lost $4.34, which is 9.70%. And this week, I sold Stag in exchange of Digital Realty Trust. This week, my real estate lost $15.31, which is down 3.55%. And I did not earn any dividends this week. Now let's go to my bonds. My bonds only consist of Vanguard Total Bond Market, but we'll see if I'll add any more bonds on this slice. Alright, for this week, my bond Vanguard Total Market gained 6 cents, which is a whopping 0.01% return. And I did not gain any dividends. So overall for this week, the only one that won is my bond, which is 6 cents. And amongst my stocks, my only winners are technology, healthcare, consumer cyclical, and energy. I'll take that as long as I win some. My moneymaker this week lost $69.17, which is down 1.61%. My earned dividends for this week is $1.46. I'm not surprised that I lost this week. The market has been really weird this past 2 weeks. It's been going up. I guess this week it's finally coming down, and I'm not surprised if the stock market will continue going down because of what's going on in the world right now. And let's say even if this illness is over, it may take a while for our economy to go back up. So I believe that the stock market will continue going down at least until the end of this year. But you know what? Just take advantage of it and keep buying stocks. I'll see you guys again next week. My wealthy people, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave some comments to show some love. Again, this is Andres telling you to stay true to your path to wealth. Until next time, see you.